up. You want more? She's using the tongue.
The tongue maneuver? She's like splashing it in her face.
I don't want that water now. Okay.
Here's the tongue. Ah, jeez.
Okay. Mute. She gets mad because I don't know. Do you not have any water? Crying? Stop. You're so mad. Okay. Poquito más.
Do you want a drink?
Huh?
Do you want a drink?
I got some orange juice.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. No more water.
Save this video until she's like, what? We show her when she's 15 years old. Be like, look at this. You're such a crybaby. Be like, you're such a crybaby. See, you wanna get what you want. Yeah, that's good.
Keith?
You know, satisfied.
She likes sparkly stuff. She's like, forget the flower. Give me the rhinestone. Ciao. Denied.
So what the fuck? Jamie!
She's pissed out. She's like, nobody's letting me do anything fun today. Let's take your shirt off. I'm like trying to rip this off. Oh, I see why there's a button. Don't get mad. There you go. Hold on. Don't fight it. Where's Tia's keys? Don't fight it. There. What does your shirt say, JC?
Daddy's girl.
She's like, give me something.
That does not look like Daddy's little girl right there. She's a happier baby.
Where's it?